Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. We did this installation today, one we've done many times, but I don't think we've ever done a video. So let's check out this Wrangler with this fire stick antenna on the back. We used the Fire 4 stick today, fire stick 4 foot, a 4 foot fire stick today, a Terraflex bracket, a heavy duty stainless steel stud mount. They work well because the hole's kind of big in this bracket. And a weather protected boot on the end of this K40 coax assembly. Alright. Don't forget during the installation to take off the black paint where this nut hits and where this underside hits here. Coax comes there and goes in there. It comes up through a boot in the corner of this. Right there. Goes under the carpet. It goes behind the carpet there, behind this pillar here, under the carpet, around, over to that side.
Sorry.
And once you got to this side, behind the glove box, it went up behind everything, come down to the radio. The radio gets its power from the fuse panel, from the fog light port. And that's it. We use the Magnum 257. Put it into the dash. And that's it. Let's take a look at it. Looks good. Have a good day.